Welcome back to CR Updater, your ultimate destination for the latest car news, reviews, and updates. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air, a name that's not just a car, but an American icon reborn. Is it the blend of classic nostalgia and modern innovation we've been waiting for? Let's find out. The 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air has arrived, and it's turning heads with its stunning retro-inspired design paired with state-of-the-art technology. Chevrolet has taken a bold step by reimagining one of its most iconic models, combining the charm of the 1950s classic with the sleek, futuristic touches of today. At first glance, the Bel Air's exterior screams vintage sophistication. From the two-tone paint options and chrome accents to the bold front grille inspired by the original, it's a tribute to the golden age of motoring. But don't be fooled, this car is built for the modern world. With 20-inch alloy wheels, LED lighting all around, and a lightweight aluminum frame, the Bel Air is as functional as it is stylish. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that blends retro charm with futuristic luxury. The dashboard features digital displays seamlessly integrated into a design that mimics the classic Bel Air's horizontal dash layout. Leather seats with contrast stitching, ambient lighting, and a panoramic sunroof make the interior both nostalgic and premium. And let's talk about technology. The 2025 Bel Air doesn't just look modern, it's packed with features. You've got a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a premium Bose audio system, and advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera. Under the hood, the 2025 Bel Air offers two engine options. There's a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder that delivers 250 horsepower for those seeking efficiency, and a 3.6-liter V6 with 335 horsepower for those who crave a bit more power. Both engines come paired with a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission, and you can choose between front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. On the road, the Bel Air offers a refined and comfortable ride. The suspension is tuned for cruising, making it perfect for long drives or city commutes. Steering is responsive, and with the optional all-wheel drive, it's a confident performer in various road conditions. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air starts at $32,000 for the base LT trim, which includes a generous list of standard features. If you want more luxury, the mid-range Premier trim is priced at $38,000. And for those who want it all, the fully loaded High Country trim comes in at $45,000. It's competitively priced, especially considering its blend of retro styling and modern technology. So, what's the verdict? The 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air is more than just a car, it's a statement. It bridges the gap between the past and the future, appealing to both classic car enthusiasts and modern drivers. If you're looking for something unique, stylish, and packed with features, the Bel Air is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching CAR Updater. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments, what do you think of the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air? Would you drive one? Until next time, drive safe and stay updated.